Hi guys, it's Emiko. How are you? Today, I'm sitting on the floor. I mean, you don't have to know, but I am. And then today I just upcycle my bed seat. Bed seat, right? Of course, who doesn't know? Who doesn't use? So like, I don't want to show you, but it's a pillowcase. But bed seat, when you keep using it, it's the pattern is fading out, or it's kind of getting kind of what do you call it? Stain. So I just decided to. We just bought the new bed seat, and then I decided to upcycle my old bed seat. I just decided to make produce bag because I thought it was easy to make, and then yeah, let's get started. too much. Little bit. Yay! It's not so good, but I think it will work as a for this back. The end is not much. Yup. Because I didn't use the anyway. Oh well. Cute. And thank you for watching. I feel the uploading weekly goal, but I still trying to upload my video. Okay. Oh, you calm down. You calm down. Okay. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in my next one. Bye bye. Wow.